I just want to be appreciated. I want to be appreciated.
Rabbits pull hair from their bodies to cover their babies when they give birth in the nest. These bunnies are just a day old. They were a litter of 7, but sadly, only 6 survived. This is their mom enjoying some fresh lettuce straight from our garden. Their breed is called a Holland Lop. They're the smallest of the Lop breeds and known for being friendly. This poor little guy got his ear bitten off, which is actually pretty common when the moms birth them. They mistake their ears for a part of the placenta and it just gets chewed off. He'll be okay though. This little guy right here looks just like the dad and has spots all over him. Let's cover them back up. This is their dad named Freckles. Did you know in the rabbit world, males are called bucks and females are called does? This doe is due in just a couple weeks. She has 2 different colored eyes and we can't wait to see how the babies turn out.
Everybody calls me Pop. I'm a pet transporter, so that means I spend most of my time driving around the country with small animals. So I don't want to argue politics. don't want to see me dance. And the closest thing I'm going to have to a thirst trap is if I'm drinking some coffee. But if you want to have a little serotonin, have some good vibes with an old man and his furry little friends, or some little friends and their furry old man, then please like, follow, and I'll tell you a little bit about my passengers, and maybe we'll look at some of the roadside things I come across. I hope to see you next time. Take care. God bless.
And I can put it in the blender. And I can put it in the blender. I got my headset.
Okay, time for day 2 with our puppy, Miss Poppy. She slept a lot, and Ziggy kept an eye on her a lot. I mean, that was like the majority of our day was Ziggy watching Poppy sleep, because Ziggy is very curious. She did wake up for a few minutes, and we were able to teach her sit. It took her like 30 seconds flat. That's on being a smart little golden retriever. But Ziggy doesn't care that she's smart. Ziggy wants to maintain a very close eye on her. She was able to go to Starbucks for a little bit, and this is her very first pup cup. We didn't give her the whole thing because we didn't want her to have a sugar rush, which we shouldn't have worried about, because this is her right after falling asleep. She doesn't even care that her ear was in the water dish. And then, I mean, come on, this is like actually the cutest video I've ever seen in my life. Ziggy, of course, always lurking and watching. She discovered her foot today, which was super exciting, and Ziggy discovered that his life purpose is to keep an eye on her. Follow for day 3.
Good morning. Come on, pups. Cannot.
Why would somebody do something like this?
This is a furry potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle-tater. Furry potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big old potato booty.
Rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God. Don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that. Stop.
So today I was driving down this road to go do a story and I found this. It looked like this is an area where people abandon dogs they don't want anymore, and these two were really pulling at my heartstrings, but I still had to go do my intro. They were, and I was convinced this one really liked me. I had a feeling she wanted me to take her home, and I couldn't leave the other one, so I put them both in my car and let them finish my breakfast, which wasn't a great idea because we still had to drive down the mountain. I then gave them both probably their first bath ever, and I don't think they were thrilled, but it was very necessary. And now they're home.
I don't know why you guys like seeing these, but this is how I feed my 5-week-old puppies. Fill that up with food. Equal parts water. half a can of puppy milk replacer. Yum. Save the other half. 4 teaspoons of the best supplement in the world, and order code as always. Oop. Lid on and let it soak for 5 minutes. You already know. And blend. Alright, we are going to add some more water because she's thick with 3 C's. Perfection. And a mason jar. Just 3 days worth.